Hello guys. On Friday, before the market opens, I make a video telling you that Lyft is going to be an IPO and it should be launched for trading at that day. Okay? And then for these 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, I want just to try to give you my explanation for this. So stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I'm trying to do a video right now about what is the situation of Lyft and what to expect. I understand that some people are foolish to some they want to invest in a company like this because it is known, or because other people they say, oh, it can go from 68 or 88, it can go to 100 or 300. It can be, yes, but it's not the case. Okay, so let's go to check the chart for today. Now, the first day, the open was 87.24, and understand that the price they say it should be like 72, but understand that people were buying, okay, heavily. Now it goes to 88.60, okay, and then it collapses in the afternoon at 78.29. This is the first day. Now from 78 to 29, the open for Monday was 74.90. So it's nearly $4 go down. And then from 74, it goes to 69. Okay, so $5 down. And then today, we have 68.97. So only like 4 cents down from yesterday, from Monday. Okay, so what do you expect? Now here, as you can see, there is a lot of shorting, and the people who bought, they sold because they see a big loss. Anyone who buys, they begin to sell, and with the action of selling short, you see from 88.60, it goes to 68.97. Okay, so it's like $20 down from the high of the Monday. Now, what do you expect? Now, all these guys who have long position, like a long position of shorting the stock, if they want to exit, what they do, they will buy back their shares in order to give to their broker. So it is your opportunity to make a day trade and go long. Maybe tomorrow, okay, which is Wednesday. Now, if the stock collapses again, it will be going down so bad. Okay, because it depends on the short sellers' positions. Are they going to stay or are they going to exit? And understand that a lot of people are just waiting for this moment or for this momentum. So tomorrow it will be decisive. Either it should be green and the stock will be going up so good, or it will collapse again. Okay, so for you guys, especially day traders, try just in the morning at 9:30, even before 9:30, you try to check if the stock is going up like 69 or 70 or 72. It means there are a lot of people, they have buy back their shares, and they will see at 9:30 what will happen. Because understand, the people who are shorting, those who stay at night and hold the stock, they have a very, very big risk. Okay, but they succeed to make it. But understand, like for example, from Monday to Tuesday, there's only 4 cents down. Okay, So there is a lot of people who are maybe who have bought back their shares. So tomorrow it will be decisive for Lyft. Okay, so be careful, guys. If you are a day trader, you know what you are doing, and 9:30 is always a big point to put into your screen, because this point, if the stock goes up, you go long, you will be making money. If it's going down, you will be losing money, unless you do short selling. Okay, and try to use a stop loss, and don't leave your trade. You open your trade and you go shopping, or you go to eat or something like that. It's very, very dangerous. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't, and spread the word. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.